Hi everyone, this is AI Mage. Today we will talk about how to use the GPTs, my customized Japanese reading helper. It will help you to furigana to spelling the kanji. So under the they will have the links and source under the video. You can see the links. And when you open the links and you log in with the GPT Plus, you can have a start using it. So the first thing is that if you have an image, for example, you have an image of a book, and the better way is that better to use upload to Google Doc and open with Google Doc. That open the Google Doc will use OCR to make it convert into the strings. Okay, so you got the strings, and you paste here, and he will help you to reading this sentence. That for example, our problem is that it's hard to reading the kanji, so it help me to such as this. He helping me to spelling with the tanoshi, or sosa. Yeah, it's kind of the spellings and translate. This is a very good helping to reading the sentence. But sometimes he will forget to try to translate for each line. For example, he tried to translate into two lines together, but this is not a problem. If you don't satisfy with that, you just stop and regenerate again. So and sometimes either he will forget to spelling, or he will forget to translate. For any problem happen, you just refresh until you get the right process. And further, the better way is that if you have a electric book such as EPUB, and you have able to unzip that, you will get the item, the xhtml. That means the for example, the book content or novel content. We can also upload this to him, and he will also try to parse that HTML with already existing the parsing code. So you will see that he's trying to apply the parsing. So just wait him to process. Okay, you can see that he parsed well that of the story, and he's trying to do that. So he forgot to make the spelling. So it's okay. You forgot spelling. We just tell him you forgot the spelling. And translate. Yeah, so just tell him he will remember to put your spelling such as .sen. Yeah, this kind, and he will help you to spelling the English. And currently, I found some problem is that ChatGPTs sometimes you cannot use that link, so you will stuck at this page, and after you log in, you still come back to this page. So we have another solution. Is that I provide you another link that is our source code. So in this source code, you can just copy that this source code. So you will see that I put some example to him and tell him how to parse that. So after you tell copy that source code, you go to create a new your GPTs. It's that just go to explore, in my GPTs, you create a GPTs. So we don't need to manually talk to him. We just passed instructions here. So and just type your name such as JP helper. Yeah, so in this you can do your save, and maybe only for you. And further, that you already have the source code. It's that you can replace with the English part with your language such as the Chinese or German or anything that your language Indian or anything. Yeah. Thank you for watching.